Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So, today we are going to start a new series on React hooks. So, we are going to dive deeper and then understand what React hooks is about. We are going to look at some of the React hooks that are available, including useState, useEffect, useContext, useRef, useReducer, useCallback, useMomo, and then at the end, we are going to look at how we can create our own custom hooks. Our target for this series is beginners, right? So we are going to break it down to the layman understanding or layman language for you to understand. So some of the terminologies that gets you confused, trust me, we are going to break them down, let you understand them in a plain language. It's going to be an interesting journey. So why don't you relax in your couch, get your snacks whilst we start this journey?